Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can customize your notification settings on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is head over to your account on GanttPro, and here on the left panel, guys, click into it and you will see the notification menu here at the bottom. Click into it with that bell icon, and here, guys, you will see these notifications, for example, for your tasks. One way how you can customize these would be, for example, to turn on or turn off that notification sound here. For example, I find it pretty annoying, so I turn it off, but you can turn it on anytime so that GanttPro may send you that sound anytime there is a deadline for a task ahead, for example. So if you'd like to customize your notifications even more, click into that gear icon here, and that is going to take you to notification settings in your account settings. So you guys simply go through these email as well as push notifications and enable the ones you would like to use. As you can see, I can't disable this one here with my account status, but you can do this, for example, for these email notifications. For example, if someone from your workspace posted a comment or uploaded an attachment to a task, and here, guys, you can also select a period, for example, 1 day, 2 days, and so on and so forth, the before day here, so 1 day before. And that's it, guys. If you'd like to switch back to the factory settings, click into this button. And now, as you can see, all push notifications have been removed. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.